Hello and welcome to Shop Talk with Dan the Man. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to register your new battery. So your old battery died, you went through the claim process with the LSA through RIDGID, and you received your new battery in a box that just came from the location. You picked it up, and how do you go about registering your new battery? So today, let's unpack how do you go from your old battery, new battery, get everything checked off. So let's dive into that now.
Hello, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dan Shannon. I enjoy woodworking as a hobby and being out in the shop. On this channel, dive deep into my shop as we explore tools and tool reviews, as well as chatting about everything related to woodworking. If this grabs you by the tool belt, please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this.
Hello and welcome to Shop Talk with Dan the Man. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to register your new replacement battery. So you have your original one, it died on you, you brought it into the store, the repair store, or if you're in the States, you sent it off in a box, and you need to register your new battery. So your old one, they kept my old battery, and then when I got my new battery in the box, I was able to register. So basically, you get your box, you open it up, you have your new battery. It's usually in plastic. So you got your new battery, and then you need to register it. So they should give you some paperwork inside the box. My repair store did, at least. And what it has on it is your information and the new product's information. So in order to register your new battery, you need the old serial number and the new serial number, and same with the model. So you just go online, and we're going to do that here in a minute. I'm going to go on to the web page and I will show you how to go through that entire step. But make sure you have your paperwork and your new battery in hand. You'll need both of these to register. So let's jump into that now. Let's go on to the online and get that registered online. So once you get to your computer, you're going to want to go into the RIDGID website, which is registration.rigidpower.com. Once you get to that page, you're going to want to log in to your account. So if you don't have an account, you can make an account, but in this case you should already have an account because you're re-registering your batteries once you did the warranty. So you fill out your information and click submit, and then once you do that, you'll be brought into your window, and it has all your tools listed on this spot here. So let's go click view all tools. So you'll see here, you'll have all your tools listed on this site. So what you want to do once you get to this page is you want to register a replacement tool. So you have your box that your new battery came in, and there should be some information on a piece of paper on the inside. You'll need your old serial number and your new serial number for the battery. So once you have that paper, you can go ahead and click on register replacement. So you click on that, and it shows here what you need to look for on the replacement. So as of this particular device, it will be your battery. So you'll see here on your battery, so you just go into your box, open it up, and grab your new battery. Usually will have plastic on it. So you'll see here we have that information in front of us, the model number. So this is the model number, part number. So this one is R87002. So we're going to type that in the model and part number, and then when it goes down to the serial number, it'll ask you for the serial number on the battery. So let's go ahead and do that now. And then the serial number, which is, if you're not sure, it'll show you on the screen, but it also is right here on your battery. So type that in. Double check and to confirm on your battery that that information is correct. So I'm just going to double check and then click submit, and then you can go and double check that that has been added. So view all registered tools. Okay, so now that you put the information in and sent it off, it will be added to your account. It did say it would take 12 to 24 hours to update that. Once it's updated, you'll see it listed on your account. Also, it will have the lifetime service agreement status added to your account as well. So make sure, always double check and make sure this is added. One time I went in here and I added a tool and I thought everything went through, but it did not. So I had to contact RIDGID on the phone. Okay, now that you have your new battery registered, don't forget to go back online in about a week, no later than that, to double check to make sure the LSA symbol, the icon, is applied to your battery. You don't want to go any length of time without having that coverage, because if it dies or something happens, there's an error reading on the charger, or maybe it's just a lemon, you want to make sure you have that LSA coverage. You had it on the original, which was fine, but when you bought the new one, or they gave you the new one, you need to make sure that's registered. So once that's all done, make sure you put it on the charger. Make sure the bars come up. It only starts off with one blinking. They can't ship this battery fully charged for safety. They want to make sure it's low as far as the batteries banks go, just for fire, explosion, etc. So make sure you pop this on the charger, bring it up to full charge before you put it on a tool and use it for the first time. And that's pretty much it. You can discard your box. There's not really any point of holding on to that. And yeah, you're good to go with your new battery and online setup. So congratulations on receiving your replacement battery. And yeah, thanks for watching today's video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget, if you're not part of the Shop Talk family, please click on that subscribe link down below. We'd love to have you on board talking anything woodworking, carpentry, and tool related. So thanks for watching today's video, and you have yourself a great day. I will see you on the next one.